Hello guys, today we are going to review Avato.ai. This software is about the AI, how to use AI to create content so that you can create better content for your audiences and your businesses. So Avato AI is a create and grow a content business even if you are no capital or experience. New AI app will provide you with the step-by-step blueprint to create the most lucrative content creation business in less than a week. So you can learn as fast as from this course. This course is all about the AI, how to use AI in your businesses, in your content creation journey. If you are blogger, YouTuber, or you are business owner, then you can use this auto Avato.ai software and it will generate good revenue for you and your businesses and make more than $9.978 every single day. This person is claiming you can make $978 per day every single day. Leveraging the skill of the brightest people in the world and history, so don't have to do the work. Some of the features they have a exact blueprint will take you from zero experience or business mastery without having a lift a finger. Benefit is skill. Average of the most amazing mind have walked earth. 100% success rate. No trial and error. Just aerolicate system that works. Easily replicate the model and multiple agencies have a scale and a scale upwards and dollar 1 lakh per month. Absolutely no experience needed whatsoever and mind blighting simple method, zero upfront cost. So you can access this software, one time offer, limited time offer. This is pre-launch offer they are of giving this software. This three steps formula and three step login system, you can say. Login and generate and done. So login into soft AI Avato.ai and give the command to this particular software, and this software will generate as per your prompt, whatever prompt you have given to the AI software. See here some of the result they are showing. They are claiming on their landing pages this result they have done. Yeah, they have done using this software. So this is a great software, I think so, for the combination of the how to use AI. Basically you will learn how to use AI to generate money or generate content creation. If you create good content, and then you can make good money from the software. So this is the good software. This is, see here, here is what Avato AI can do. Data analytics, document processing, image generation, machine learning, versatile board use cases, user friendly API interface, and customized output, stable difficult API, and multi-language lingual support. And variation for creative freedom. Efficiency, image analytics, advanced recognition, interactive image within chart features, visualization data, manipulate image, generative visual content, preview data transformation, effortless communication, or enhance accessibility, customization options, and many more. This is some of the feature of the Avato AI dot AI. This will help you to generate good content creation. And so that's my review for this software or this course. This is not software, actually this is course where you learn how to use Avato AI and bring revolutionary changes in your business, in your content creation journey, and earn good money from this software. Thank you. That's my review. If you want to check out this software, just go to the link given below in description and check out the